Hi friends, today we'll be moving a safe that was curb delivered from a garage to a closet inside of the house. This is our big challenge. Move a 1,000-pound safe over this high polished porcelain flooring through the living room, family room and bathroom. First we will remove the side wood bars and next the bolts that keep the gun safe and the metal pallets together. To be able to remove the bolts, we had to unpack the safe and open the door. But we will not move the safe unprotected. We will wrap it before using our hydraulic equipment. There is a step into the house, so we will set up a special ramp supported with wood beams to clear it. Before landing the safe on the porcelain flooring, we prepare a path with special rubberized board placed near the threshold, moving pads and steel plates. This will reduce the chance of breaking the porcelain in case air pockets were left between the flooring and the cement slabs during the construction. And there we go, switching the position of the moving pads and steel plates as we advance towards the closet. It is a matter of patience and dedication, doing our best to avoid damages to this lovely new home. As we reach the master room, we make a quick left turn into the bedroom to cross towards the closet. We keep repeating the process until we can land the safe onto special sliders and push it into the requested position. And there is the safe. One more customer happy with our work. Thanks for watching and God bless America.